Sofa guards are protective covers designed to shield your furniture from spills, pet hair, wear and tear, and general messiness. If you're considering adding this layer of defense, here's a breakdown of the benefits and drawbacks. Pros. Protection. Sofa guards are your furniture's shield against stains, scratches, crumbs, and pet hair. They can greatly extend the lifespan of your sofa. Easy cleaning. Most sofa guards are machine washable or at least easy to wipe down, taking the stress out of cleaning your actual sofa. Affordable upgrade. If you're not ready for a new sofa, a sofa guard offers a cost-effective way to refresh the look and extend the life of your current furniture. Variety. Sofa guards come in a wide range of colors, styles, and materials. You can easily find an option to match your decor and preferences. Cons. Slippage. Depending on the material and type of sofa guards may have a tendency to shift or slide, requiring readjustment. Potential discomfort. Some sofa guards, especially if they are waterproof, can feel less breathable than the sofa itself, making them less comfortable during hot weather. Aesthetics. If not chosen carefully, sofa guards can detract from the original look of your sofa. However, well-chosen covers can blend in well. Fit. Finding a sofa guard that provides a perfect fit can be a bit of a challenge, especially with unusually shaped sofas. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.